Hi, I'm Ryan Despain, Product Manager over Automation at Domo. In this month's Domo Drop, I'm going to talk to you about new enhancements we've made to the AI agent task in workflows. Many of you may recall that we introduced Agent Task in the last Domopalooza as part of our Agent Catalyst initiative. But as a reminder, an agent is designed to autonomously perform tasks on behalf of a person or a system by leveraging the tools and data you provide. And configuring an agent is now easier than ever thanks to a new and improved UI that simplifies the setup and allows for quick adjustments. So let's jump in and see it in action. In this workflow, I already have an agent task configured as one of the steps. When I pull up the agent's configuration modal, you'll notice it has two sides. The right side is dedicated to testing your agent, and the left side is for configuring the agent. Here on the General tab, you tell the agent what to do using the prompt and instructions. The prompt captures the request you want the agent to perform, and the instructions are where you tell the agent what its role or purpose is. In this example, I am asking it to determine if a sales lead meets the qualification criteria based on the company data I am passing in with variables from my workflow. In the instructions, I am letting the agent know it is a sales assistant bot and that it needs to also assign the lead to a sales rep if it qualifies. The outputs tell the agent what data to return once the request is completed, and these values are passed back to your workflow. Here I have set up outputs to return the assigned rep, a true-false qualified status, and the reason the lead is or is not qualified. The Tools and Knowledge tabs supply the agent with the means to get the job done. In the Tools tab, you can add and search for code engine functions that the agent can use to resolve your request. In my agent, I've added tools for a function that does a qualification check that evaluates the lead, and another one that sends a notification email to the sales rep. A new addition we've added to agents is the Knowledge tab. Here you can select things like documents, images, spreadsheets, and more to provide the AI with additional context. In my example, I've added a dataset that contains details for the active sales reps. The AI will be able to use this to determine the best person to assign to the lead. When your agent is configured, you're able to test it by clicking the Test Agent button. Since my prompt includes variables, I need to provide values for them in order to run a test. Another enhancement we made to the agent task is displaying the results in a user-friendly format so you can easily see each action and step the AI took and what it produced. So in this test run, we can see the agent determine the lead is qualified, and then it queries the dataset and assigns a sales rep to the lead and sends a notification to them with the details. Finally, it produces values for all the outputs I asked for. This is the behavior I would expect from the AI for a valid lead. If the results don't look like what you want, you can experiment with your prompt engineering or the configurations and keep testing until you feel the results are correct and consistent. We're so excited about these new agent capabilities. Using the power of AI in a workflow step gives you more ways to optimize your automation. Again, just tell the agent what you need, and it'll handle the tools, the data, and the execution in the right order. You can jump in and start using agents today, so go build some workflows and try it out now. Thanks for your time. We look forward to seeing what you do with your agents. We'll see you on our next Domo Drop.